Now let's see how we can remember that metformin belongs to the biguanide class. First, we will give it a nickname. Met will be met as in the past tense of meat, and for will be for, and min will be a minute. So metformin is met for a minute. Biguanide, bi will be by as in goodbye, and G will stand for glucose. So biguanide is by glucose. The mnemonic will be met for a minute, then said by glucose. Of course, when you meet someone for a minute, the next thing you're gonna say is by. So met for a min, then said by glucose. Met for a min is metformin, by glucose is biguanide.